Hi viewers, back with a new video. Today our topic of discussion is why buy agricultural lands. Let's discuss its importance. Let's discuss how it can be useful for us in creating or in generating income. How is it possible that we try to generate income from these kind of vacant lands? Let us also try to understand the importance of having or holding agricultural lands in our life. We might have come up in our lives in many sectors like the IT, the manufacturing industry, etc., etc. But by end of the day, what we all need is our basic supplies, that is of food, the clothes we wear, and at the same time the livestock that we eat. So guys, this is high time that we have to think about all these things. And this video is promoting agricultural land. Generally, we buy properties, we buy plots in the outskirts of the city limits, and we wait for the property to appreciate. Instead of doing that, instead of buying it in 200, 300, 400 square yard plots, why don't you invest in a larger portion of land? Why don't you buy it as it is, the agricultural lands? These kind of lands have got the capacity to generate income from day one of investment. You wait for the appreciation, that is the second chapter, but when it comes to the first chapter, you invest today, you register tomorrow, and from day 3 you start generating income from these properties. It can be in many ways. It can be a crop field, it can be you rent a property to a farmer wherein he would be paying you rent. Otherwise, you can do it on share basis. You can do the farming on share basis along with the farmers. Otherwise, you can rent it out for the livestock, the poultry, the animal feeding. There are many ways where you can invest in where you can invest and generate income on these larger portion of lands. So my concept when I talk about agri lands is not just agricultural lands and that we are using it for farming. There are many other ways, like you can use it for renting out to a bigger garage or a warehouse. There are many ways where you can generate income from day one of your investment. Buying agri land is one of the most ideal and suitable investment for people with surplus money and high incomes. And agri land can provide you with long-term profits when planned according to the location of the property, such as upcoming government infra projects or highways and airports. Now, if you ask me, is agriculture a good choice? Then I would say yes, because it is a major sector. It's the biggest backbone in our economy. It not just provides us with the food, but also it is supporting our society or our ecosystem with raw materials that is required for our basic living. It actually provides the largest share of food supplies and ensures that our ecosystem is in place. Lands are limited on earth. There is no excess supply of land or there is no excess production of land on earth. So it's high time that we have to think how to utilize these lands. We have a well built ecosystem, modified or created by man, specifically to grow or raise biological products for human consumption or use. Now, this is all about the importance of returns on investment. But what is the real importance or what is the real requirement of buying agricultural lands? This is very important aspect that we have to understand at least by this time of our lives. If you look at the plotting business in Hyderabad, we have crossed over 100 kilometers from the city limits and we are not aware how the future is gonna be. It's high time we need to think about our needs and what we hold in excess. Planning is very important for our future. We all have a flat or a villa to stay in, and then we have one or two plots as an investment. Now, what is the next step that we have to think about? It's not again and again investing in plots and destroying the earth. Because in my previous video also I had been telling you that too much of plotting is destroying the earth. So it's high time that we go a little further and invest in agricultural lands, because these kind of lands are very useful for us, not just food, but also it supports us with the raw materials that is required in our day-to-day lives, and at the same time this is also required for livestock. So we need to invest in all these things instead of just thinking about return on your investment. So guys, this is all for this video. See you all in my next video. Till then, signing off.